1, 2, 3, come on!
Hello viewers, welcome to Medicv Vlogs. This is Pradesh. Today in this video we are going to unbox and review WaterSigns tap and shower filter, and the model is Clio SFU 423H. So this is the one which I have bought. I will be showing you the unboxing and review in this video. Let's see how much the filter quality, and they are even saying that the hardness of the water will be reduced. Let's see how true it is in this video. So in modern days, so we all are not near the river areas, or we are not in where the good source of water is available. So all the people who are coming for working all in different cities and metropolitan cities which are not having good water. So most of the TDS level is more, water is very hard. Whenever you have this hot water for daily bathing or washing your clothes, washing vessels, you can see that white sediment which gets spreaded all over your things. Even your hair gets damaged and you will face hair fall in early ages. So that's where this cheapest economic water filter and water softener comes in as a tap fitting and a shower fitting from WaterSigns. And this product does not reduce the TDS. This is a note everybody should know. It is just filters and reduces the hardness of the water. So this WaterSigns is a Bangalore based company, and they sell filter related and water softener related products. So this one which we are going to unbox and review is kind of a tap filter and also can be used in shower, they are saying. So that's what we are going to review. So this tap filter has three types of filters. One is for corporation, the municipality water, where they get the river water or from the pond, and they send you the pure water with chlorinated. So you can use this filter for reducing the chlorine level in your municipality water. The second one is the borewell and the tanker, the one which we are going to unbox and review. That filter reduces the hardness and filters the water from sediments. And third one is the high density filter. They are claiming that if you have more ionic or rusted or dusty water, it will be used for reducing the materials and give you little pure water. Now let's get into the features. So mainly the WaterSigns tap and shower filter, from the name itself you will know that this can be plugged into any type of taps which you have in your house, and also in your showerheads, so that whenever you are having shower you can reduce the hardness and filter the water, and your skin will be cared and even your hair will be not damaged, they are claiming. And this filter they have used in this product is 3-layer filter, and nowhere in this product they have revealed these filters. I think it is patented and this is their secret. And WaterSigns claims that it has easy fixing and installation. So you don't need to call a plumber if you have the dimensions of taps which I am going to say now. And if you are having branded taps like Jaguar and Sierra, this is going to sure fit for that. WaterSigns claims that 22, 24 or 28 mm taps will be having aerators. So that will help to remove the aerators and directly fit in with the adapters they are providing. And they are also providing a digital warranty card, what I am showing over here. So they are claiming that you can use this for scanning through your mobile and register for the warranty, which they are giving for the outer body for 2 years and the cartridge for 6 months. Anyway, the cartridge has to be changed every 6 months so that the performance will be good. And they also have provided a sticker kind of digital warranty card, so that you can peel, and with a double cello tape you can put it near your fridge, refrigerator door, or you can put it near a wash basin mirror. So you will be aware of when it was bought, whether the 6 months has came for changing. And as part of installation, they have given 3 washers with it. One is a blue and the black with the net mesh, so it filters the sediments, or the red one to reduce the high pressure, so that when you are fitting this cartridge with your tap, so there will be whenever you are in a high-rise building or a high pressure, so it doesn't get dismantled or it doesn't falls down in a force. And as part of installation, they have also given a tap spanner kind of a small spanner, which I will be showing in unboxing. With that you can easily remove this and again install it back in the tap. And it is very amazing that for 6 months, and if you are paying only 1,500 rupees, you are getting a water softener with a filter. Let's quickly check how the performance is also. And the company claims that you can use this one cartridge or the one filter for 25,000 liters output. You can easily take it out of, or a 6 months of usage, they say. So when you are in a cold place, so when you only use hot water, this cartridge can be used where the heat temperature of water is maintained below 60 degrees Celsius. So it cannot be used from a direct water heater or something which is doing a boiling of water of 100 degrees Celsius, so the filter will gets damaged. So you should make sure that when you are in winter time, you should mix the hot and cold water and make sure that that warm water, lukewarm water you are getting is below 60 degrees Celsius. And when you are using in real time, they are saying that per minute 6 liters of water discharge can be made out of this filter. And the next best feature and the last feature feature is they're providing the customer itself to maintain it by cleaning it by providing a feature called reverse flush. So just you need to remove the body and put the cartridge upside down by the instruction, follow the instruction manual to do that for process. Then when you do a reverse flush, all the dust and sediments which are inside the cartridge or the filter comes out. In between 45 to 60 days gap, you can do the reverse flush they are claiming. Now let's quickly go into the unboxing video and see let's see what are the products inside. Today we are going to unbox shower and tap filter Clio model SFU 423 from WaterScience. So I have bought this in Amazon for 1400 bucks. That is 1400 rupees. That is 1400 rupees in Indian value. So when you first open, you will see the user manual. So it is saying WaterScience shower and tap filter Clio model 423H. So also you see a manual warranty card. You can put your details and show it whenever you have problem. So it's valid. The cartridge is valid for 6 months. The filter you have to change every 6 months, and this old physical device which we are going to unbox is valid for 2 years warranty. So if it's a damage happening on that or it breaks down, you can claim the warranty. And they also provided that tape which fits in the tap. So this tape you can use it for gripping around the tap, so that it, when you are tightening this water filter, attaching it with an adapter, so it has a firm grip, it doesn't get removed in water pressure. So then you have a top covering, you have to remove this cover, then you go to your direct physical body. So you will see a WaterScience logo embedded, and they have also replace the cartridge every 6 months in a big red color notice, so that people will be aware and not blame the company on their performance getting regrading after every 6 months. And also you will see there's a gap between the white color portion and the silver color coating below. So that is where you have to firmly handle this and rotate anti-clockwise the silver portion, so that you can remove your filter. I will show it in a minute. So first, if you see the upper body, it is having the dust filter, black color washer is there with the dust filter. This is where it attaches with an adapter to your tap. So whatever the tap which you are using, if it has a aerator filter, you can remove the aerator and just fit this with the adapter to that aerator area. So taps having a aerator will be easier, or you have to call your plumber for old model taps or a plastic taps to install it wisely. So now I will open and show you this cartridge. This filter you have to just hold firmly the white and rotate the silver portion down anti-clockwise. You will see your filter attached. Yeah, here you go. So this is what they say the cartridge, filter cartridge. So this is a 4-layer or 3-layer cartridge they are using to filter the water also and reduce the hardness. There is all this types of filters, what they have explained in the manual is sitting inside. So this is what you have to remove and fit a new one every 6 months. And this is what they are saying, you have to put it in for reverse flushing every 1 month. You have to put it in anti-clockwise. Remove this filter and put it in anti-clockwise and use it for 1 to 3 minutes. So this is salts get whatever sedimented in this filter layers get flushed out back, or just hit it in the wall or in the ground, so that if it has some bad salt collected, it falls down, they are saying. Yeah, next if you see, they have provided all the installation things, like they have provided a WaterScience name embedded spanner to, whenever it is connected to your tap, you might need it when the salt gets clogged and it's very hard to remove, or if you wanted to remove the adapter, you can just use this one and easily do it. So they give it in a handy installation kit itself. It is a very essential thing. Then you get a carbon paper, so which we used in the old era. It's very sharp. It is used for whenever you see your tap is filled with that white salt or something which is in your aerator fitting area, it doesn't allow you to fit properly. So they are telling you to clean the tap with this spiked carbon paper, so that spiked cleaning paper. So this cleaning paper removes the salt, so that it easily the grips and all will come back, and you can screw your adapter with this water filter to your tap. Then finally there's the bottom section, like the upper section we saw. So this is kind of a box they are having. It is saying connectors and adapters. Yeah, so this is kind of consisting of 4 adapters inside, if you see on both the side. So one, I think the bigger one is kind of a big tap or a washing machine tap or the shower connector, I believe. For me personally it didn't fit. Maybe the shower model I'm using is very old style. So they are giving a shower connector and they're giving a medium sized tap connector. So if you see, all this bottom section will be same, because this is going to be connecting to the WaterScience cartridge itself directly. So the ones which is in the common, it will go and fit here. This is what you are going to put your water tape, plumbing tape, and fit it in here. And this one upper section will be going to any kind of tap. So they're giving a 4 types of adapters as I'm showing. This is the 2. The remaining 2 will be a smaller taps, and the smallest one will be your wash basin one. You can fit it in your wash basin also. That's how the taps, which is kind of Sierra or Jaguar, will have this kind of model. That one you can use your smaller one. So if nothing is fits out, you can go to your, take this thing and show to your hardware store or plumber and get type of adapter for it also. Now you have seen the unboxing video. Now let's go and see the tap fitting, how to install it. Let me quickly show a demo. So in my house, I don't have taps which is nearly fitting it. In my house, the bathroom taps were not allowed to fit these things, because very old model of taps I was using. So only place I had a modern tap with a Sierra, so that is kitchen. So that's where I could install and see a demo. Let's quickly see the demo video of installation. So guys, you would have seen the installation and the final output, how much the hardness of the water or how much the filter it does. So I really showed you the thing. So now the final chapter of this video, what I personally feel and what are the disadvantages I could see, or what does it feel to my heart, now I'm going to discuss. So the overall body of this WaterScience tap and shower filter seems to be little heavy. So whenever you're using a low plastic taps or lightweight taps, it's going to be a burden for the taps. It might break the tap, or it might not perform well, or due to the high pressure of the water, it squeezes out the water from the inlet area itself. So I see that due to the heaviness, it can be a burden to the taps or taps functionalities too. And the next thing is, for 1500 rupees, it seems to be accommodatable for a middle class family to change the cartridge 6 months. But 6 months can be increased, but it also depends on the company's technology they are using inside. So we cannot say that, but for a budget family or something, 6 months is a very less time, and they have to pay 1500 to replace the cartridge. And the next disadvantage I could see is WaterScience could have went with or they should also provide a suction kind of thing which can easily fit into any kind of tap, instead of us to change the tap with this measurements they have given in the adapter. So if they have used this technology of suction tubes fitting or vacuum kind of fittings, we can use this water filter for travel purpose also. We can easily pack this water filter and go and use anywhere we are traveling around the world. So viewers, now we will see the overall performance or the output which WaterScience tap filter has given to me. From that I could see that overall 80% of performance we have got. So if the water TDS level is more than 1200, so what my TDS level is, the total dissolved salt in my area is more than 1200 due to Bangalore is drying up, there is no water. So earlier it should be below 1000, now it is more than 1200. So in this I could see 80% of performance, that it has reduced 80% of hardness. So remaining 20% of salt, I could really feel it. I am also showing you 2 water samples of the same thing. One, I have used the Clio water filter, a WaterScience water filter, and got some few water sample. The other one, the vessel which you are seeing is a normal tap water with more hardness and the TDS level. So when I boiled it, you could see that the output which has came, the first one which I am showing is the high TDS without the filter I have used. You can see that sediment of water or the salt or the calcium, that white color thing which is floating around is kind of a thick precipitate kind of thing. See, even if I am rotating it, the vessel, you could see that the collection of the amount of salt spreading all over the water which is laying in the top area. But when you see that where I have used a STAP filter, where I have used this WaterSign STAP filter, you can see that it is very small salt precipitate only spreading over. It has reduced drastically. So that's what I'm saying, 80% of hardness it has reduced, only the 20% of salt which is there, you can see it floating compared to the first vessel. So it is very so the people who are living in this hard water areas, it is essential, it is mandatory for them to use this water filter in their lifetime, or they may get more air damage or skin irritation. Also they have to visit dermatologist in most frequent way. I quickly took a bath with this water sample and I could notice that my skin became more soft and my faces were crystal clear, and I could see that there is no white color patches on my skin, and my hair was very soft, where I have in the normal 1200 TDS water, my hair will, once I dry my hair, it will be very hard and thick. But I couldn't test the froth of the soap or shampoo when you are using, because they say when the hardness is reduced in the soft water, you will get more froth when you are brushing your soap or vessels or something with the lotion. But I didn't notice it because currently it is a summer and the TDS level is more due to the dry up of the water in the ground level. But people claim that who have tested this WaterSign tap filter in other areas are getting more froth. So this guarantees that it is reducing the hardness in the water. So overall, I could say that when your water TDS level is between 600 to 1000 in an area, you can surely use this thing. So you don't need to go and buy high budget at 50,000 or 1 lakh sort of softness which are available in market. Just you can spend 1500 and save your all your kitchen hardwares, all your plumbing areas in your bathrooms or your taps doesn't get salted in a quick time. So if you use this tap filter, it gives healthy skin and hair protection too. I have provided the best water softeners available in Amazon in a below description. Please click and check out what are the other options available. Also for this product, WaterSign tap and shower filter, I have provided the buy link in the Amazon. Please click and buy it. So that's all in this video. Catch you in the next video. Bye.